Sliding large format tiles into place over wet mortar risks collapsing the mortar ridges and creating uneven support. When setting large format tile over a wet mortar bed, use a rhythmic, methodical approach that ensures full contact without disturbing the mortar profile. First, trowel straight notched ridges size to the tile, and press the tile straight down into the mortar rather than sliding it. This preserves the ridges so they can compress uniformly and provide consistent bed thickness. Check contact with a straight edge, and use back buttering for any tile larger than 2 feet by 2 feet or when the back of the tile is not fully flat to guarantee full mortar coverage. Apply a thin, uniform layer of mortar to the back, then press into the ridged bed so voids are eliminated. Use a gentle twisting motion of only a few degrees to seat the tile and adjust alignment instead of lateral sliding, which shears and collapses the ridges. Frequently lift and inspect a placed tile early on so you can see the mortar transfer pattern and verify at least 80% contact for interior wet areas and 100% for exterior freeze-thaw conditions. Keep mortar open time and pot life in mind and work in manageable sections so the mortar remains plastic and compressible when you set the tile. Common issues are lippage caused by collapsed ridges, which you fix by removing the tile and reapplying mortar with correct ridge height and trowel technique right away. Hollow spots from inadequate contact, which you correct with proper back buttering and straight down placement to achieve full bedding. And inconsistent bed thickness from excessive sliding, which you prevent by using proper notch trowel sizes and setting tiles vertically down with light twisting only. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers tools and listings to help find someone for a large format tile job. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and experiences so we can all make better installation choices.